Hello and welcome back. This is the fourth tutorial of our series 5-minute task. We are daily solving one coding task related to Python programming, and this could be used in automating different things and help you quickly solve small Python challenges, or you can call it coding challenges. Today, our task 4: given two strings str1 and str2, we are going to return true if string 1 is a subsequence of string 2, or false if not. Okay, so what is a subsequence, or how can we understand this? For example, let's just take one example. These are four different variables: string 1, string 2, string 3, and string 4. The first variable has ABC, the second variable has AHBGDC. Now you can see here string 1 is a subsequence of string 2 because all of its characters appear in string 2 and in this order. Okay, so we are going to return true if we compare string 1 and string 2. But if we compare string 3, so this X does not appear in string 4. So this is not a subsequence. Or if it had appeared in a different way, like C first and X second, so that would be a different thing. So that would not be a subsequence. Their order should be the same. Okay, so let's begin. In order to understand this task, one thing that comes is string 1 length should be smaller or equal to string 2, because all of the string 1 characters should appear in string 2. So it should be almost always smaller or equal to this. So one characteristic is the length of the second string should be greater than the first one or equal to the first one. Okay, the second thing is their order. Character of the first string occurs in the second string in the sequential order. Okay, so these are the two important conditions that we need to think about while we are approaching this problem. Now, how to approach this problem? Very simple way. Checking each character of string 2 to string 1. We're going to check each character of string 2 to string 1, and if there is a match, we are going to maybe create a counter and add to that counter. So yes, that would be perfect. We're going to add counter. If there is a match in the second string character is a match with the first string character, we're going to add to the counter. If counter is equal to the first length of the first string, we're going to return true. That means the string 1 is the substring of string 2, else we're going to return false because the loop has completed without this. That means this has not happened. So let's begin. Definitions is subsequence. We're going to pass on string 1 comma string 2. Okay, counter equals to 0 for I in str2. Okay, so we're going to check if I equals to string 1, and we're going to pass in counter here. So the index is 0, so string 1 index is compared to the string 2 element or character. So if they are equal, it's going to add to the counter plus equals to 1, and should stop if counter equals to len string 1. Okay, in this case it should return true, else if this does not happen, there is not a match or not all the matches, so it should return false. And if there is nothing given in string 1, what should it do? It should return true, because again this is a match. So if not as, even then we are going to return true. Okay, let's check out Issubsequence. We're going to pass on string 1 str1 comma str2, and let's see the result. So it gives the error, name s is not defined. Where is the if not in acha? Okay, right, I should write if not in string 1, not s. Name string 1 is not defined, where if counters is equal to len string 1. Okay, I wrote capital S, it should be small s. Okay, and here also it should be false. Okay, so now again, so it's true. A, B, C appear, this A, B, C appear in this order, and it's a subsequence of string 2. Let's try with string 3, which is A, X, H. In fact, if we just turn this to A, D, and C, so it should be true, but if only X, it should be false. So string 1 and string 3, let's check it's false. And if we just check it with string 4, it has also had A, B, C, so it should return true. Perfect. So hope you understood it. May you have any queries, feel free to get in touch. We are doing very simple problems. Thank you.